let's make it down a little bit more. Right there, maybe. So you may be thinking, this is a weird place to start a video. But this is my very first video on this channel. This is my second YouTube channel, and this channel is going to be all about cleaning. So I have lots and lots of cleaning to do. I have a house full of 3 boys, ages 10, 8, and 6, 4 dogs, who are all huge shedders. They love to shed. They love to make extra dogs, so that's always a plus. I've got a cat inside. He doesn't shed, but he does make a mess. He likes to throw his litter all over the house. I have 2 outside cats who don't make messes, but they're needy. They need food. They need water. And I have 4 chickens. They are very much needy. They need food and water every day, and they need to be moved daily. So I thought that I would start this channel as just a cleaning, doing, you know, the normal things, everyday things that a stay-at-home mom and wife would do that has all of these things. So the first thing I'm going to be doing on this channel is cleaning under my carport. You would be surprised at how dirty this carport is. So let's get started with cleaning this mess. I'm going to take you and show you everything that needs to be done under this carport and see if we could get that done in about an hour. So, first thing is, I have this box of phone cases. Don't ask why I have a whole box of phone cases, but I do. We have a little bit of stuff that got thrown down there from the children. You can wear that tripod there. We got a garbage bag full of clothes that my sister has sent. We've got an umbrella base, a table, empty boxes, a bed frame that a bed frame that's going to be going to my dad, a container that needs to be going through, a deep freezer that will stay. This container needs to go inside. Tools need to be picked up. Those things need to be thrown away. We had a little game that we played, and then the kids destroyed it, so I'm going to throw it away. I'm not sure why that pan's out here. We got some parts to throw away. We got some pens to pick up. A toy taped to that. I'm not sure where I want to start, but I'm thinking I'm going to start on the easy side. The easiest side would be throwing this box of phone cases in that there trash can.
These
we
go.
used it, remember when their washer and dryer broke?
Huh?
We used it when our washer and dryer broke, remember?
I wasn't born.
It sure was. It just happened 2 years ago.
Wait, 2 years?
Yeah.
2 more.
2 years ago.
I don't remember.
Well, that's fine. We had to wash our clothes in the bathtub in there. So that did not take as long. Samson actually came out to help me, so you got to see Samson. He is still sleeping. I almost said sleeping. He is still sweeping, but I'm going to show you what we got done, and that'll be it for this video. So we got everything all picked up, nice and neat. Sorry if you can hear the wind. The wind decided it was going to start blowing. Samson is still sweeping. I know it's so freaking bad, but we ended up with not one, but 2 giant trash bags from trash that was underneath the carport. And I did throw away some boxes, which you saw, which is one reason why they're so full. But we need to go through this box still. But I'm not going to go through this box until we go through our other boxes. And that'll be a video to itself. Probably be a really long video. This will be going through.
Mommy,
yes.
I'll help you with that video too.
Okay.
I'll help you with all the trash videos.
Okay. And then this needs to be going through as well, but I'm going to go through that whenever I do this. But that's just, this goes in my car. We took it out to change the air filter, so that's what that is.
Mommy,
But this is bags.
pile.
You made a huge pile. I see it. Good job. Thank you so much for helping me.
You're welcome. There's still
These bags are for when we go to trade day and flea markets and we sell stuff that is in all these boxes. So that's what these boxes actually are. They're full of stuff that we sell. So I know it looks bad. We're going to have to organize that. That'll probably be the next video. But that's what those are for. I didn't have anywhere to put the sand, so I put the sand up here. The poop scoop doesn't go up there. And this light is broken. But everything is clean now. Samson, like I said, is still sweeping. He's doing a good job. This bed, it's going to go to my parents' house. They want this, so I'm just going to leave that there for now until they come and get it. We're going to sweep that pile up real quick and close this trash bag. And I hope that you...
We couldn't sweep that pile down there.
No. We don't want to sweep it down there. We're trying to get everything cleaned up. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Hello.
It's gonna rain.
I know, I can see.
There's a look like on the TV.
I am right now.
When I'm done, I get
When
it
he's
back.
done, he gets it back because he came out here and helped me do all of this stuff.
Fortnite round.
I already won a bunch.
No, because you want a team rumble.
No?
Yeah.
No!
Just stop.
No.
Just kidding, I didn't win. I almost win.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this messy clean with me. Samson and I got a ton of work done. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, and leave us a like below, letting us know what you would like to see us do next. Because if not, it's going to be this room right there, I think. Could be wrong. Don't know. We'll figure it out. Hope you guys enjoy, like I said, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Wait, one tomorrow.
You'll be at school tomorrow.
No? Wait, there's still some dirt though.
It's okay. We won't be able to get it all up.
I'll get it.
That is not the right way to sweep, but...